Pour Behr's bamboo shoe in a flat latex finish onto a paper plate. Take a microfiber rag and scrunch it up. Dip it into the paint and offload just enough so the rag is still lightly covered with paint. Now blot it onto your wall, creating a textured looking base coat. Apply spray adhesive to the back of your wall stencil. For our first step, we mixed raw umber acrylic paint and black acrylic paint. We took a 3 1/4 inch professional stencil brush and pounced it in random areas on the stencil. Then we took a 4-inch dense foam roller and gently rolled over the entire stencil with Benjamin Moore's Bermuda Turquoise in a flat latex finish. Make sure the blue and the brown really blend together. We wanted to give our wall design a vintage look, so you can either leave it a little blotchy or take a 2-inch dense foam roller and randomly roll on little sections of bamboo shoot and blend. After only 1 minute, align the stencil with the previously painted registration marks and repeat.